Hey, hi, how are you everybody? It's me, Joe from Locksmith Jet. I want to show you what we need to do when we're ordering a new key fob from the dealer. BMW fob. It doesn't matter if it's the new style, the old style, they all the same. So basically what we need to do is the key now does not working at all. Inside the fob we have the emergency key, and there is the button right here. We're pressing on the button and we're pulling the key out. We have the key out. The emergency key gonna open the cylinder, gonna open the door. We put it inside the cylinder and we turn it to the left side. The door is open. We're going inside the car, and here there is three things that we need to do. We need to press on the brakes. There is the key icon right here and the start button. So we're gonna press on the brakes. We're gonna put the key like that. The key need to cover the key icon, and together I'm gonna press on the start button. On the brakes, I'm gonna put the key next to the key icon, and I'm gonna press on the start button. The key is registered to the car is running, everything working fine. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.